Dear viewers, today we have a maths problem and I will solve this problem. And the problem is here, that is written that the original price of a shirt is 30% less than the shirt's $250 suggested retail price. The price at which the shirt was sold was 20% less than the original price. And here we have two quantity. Quantity A says the price at which the shirt was sold, and quantity B says 50% of the shirt's suggested retail price. And you have four options. You have to find out which one is correct. I will solve this problem. I will solve this problem with detailed discussion. I would also like to request you to subscribe my channel and share my video. So let's start. First of all, we have to find out the original price. So the original price was, that is 30% less than the shirt's suggested price. So 30% of $250 equal to 75. So $250 plus $75 equal to $325. So this is the original price. And here another statement is the price at which the shirt was sold was 20% less than the original price. So the sold price is the sold price is 20% less than the original price. 20% of 325 equal to $65. So sold price $260. And you see here quantity A says that the price at which the shirt was sold. So the sold price is 260, and quantity B says 50% of the shirt's suggested retail price. So here the suggested retail price is $250. So 50% of the shirt's suggested retail price is 50% of suggested retail price is 50% of equal to 125. So here we have to find out which one is correct. So the price at which the shirt was sold is $260, and 50% of the shirt suggested retail price is $125. So here we have four options. Which one is correct? Let's check out. So quantity A is greater. Okay, quantity A is greater. Let's see the other options. Quantity B is greater. No. Quantity B is 125, but quantity A is $260, and two quantities equal. Two quantities are equal. No. The relationship cannot be determined from the information given. No. So the first one, the quantity A is greater, because quantity A means $260 and quantity B means $125. So quantity A is correct.